You ever looked at your bank app and thought, there's gotta be a better way? Neon, with its sleek interface and promise of hassle-free banking, certainly seems to offer an alternative. But, hold on a second, can a platform that looks more like a tech startup than a bank actually handle your money? Let's dive into the question everyone's asking: does Neon have a banking license? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what a banking license actually means. It's essentially a government stamp of approval saying, yeah, this place can handle your money. It's a big deal because it comes with a ton of regulations and oversight. Banks need to meet specific capital requirements, have robust security systems, and follow strict consumer protection laws. It's like a financial superhero license, but without the cape. Now, back to Neon. It's undeniably trendy. The app is slick, and its features, from budgeting tools to spending analytics, look promising. But, when it comes to your hard-earned cash, looks can be deceiving. So, does Neon have a banking license? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Neon doesn't actually hold a banking license itself. Instead, it partners with traditional banks. This model, often referred to as banking as a service, is becoming increasingly popular. Essentially, Neon provides the tech platform and user experience, while the partner bank handles the actual banking operations. Think of it like this: Neon is the cool, trendy restaurant that serves up delicious food, but it doesn't own the farm or the kitchen. The farm and kitchen are the traditional bank, providing the ingredients and cooking the meal. Neon just presents it in a way that makes you drool. But, here's the thing, while this partnership model can offer benefits like innovation and speed, it also raises questions. How secure is your money when it's being handled by a third party? What happens if the partnership goes sour? These are important considerations. To truly understand the risks and benefits, we need to look at the specific bank that Neon partners with. Different banks have different reputations, financial strengths, and regulatory oversight. It's crucial to do your own research and understand who is ultimately responsible for your money. While Neon might be tempting with its shiny app and clever marketing, don't let the excitement cloud your judgment. Always prioritize the security and protection of your funds. Remember, at the end of the day, banking is about trust. And trust is earned, not just designed. So, does Neon have a banking license? Technically, no. But it partners with banks that do. Whether that's good or bad for you depends on a number of factors. Do your homework, understand the risks, and choose the banking option that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.